Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having an amazing day. I am Simran and in this lecture we will be learning numbers from 1 to 20. We will be dealing with numbers above 20 in the next video, that is in part 2. Saal or Zahlen, the singular and the plural forms will be discussed in a different video later. To be able to speak fluently, remember you have to listen to me and repeat. So are you ready? Here we go. Null. Eins. Zwei. Please notice that the Z or Z, it's S, not Z. Drei. Vier. Once again, it's not wir, it's vier. Fünf. Sechs. Sieben. Acht. Don't forget that acht has a longer A. Neun. Zehn. Please concentrate on the pronunciation of Z or Z. 11. 12. The numbers from 13 to 19 are basically very simple. 13, 3 plus 10 is 13. 14, similarly 4 plus 10 is 14. So can you guess what the next one will be? Yes, it is 15. 16. Do you notice that the S is missing? Yes, this is an exception. In 16, the S goes away. 17. We have another exception here. Instead of saying 17, you say 17. Learning further, we have 18, 19 and 20. Excellent. Now you know numbers from 0 to 20. Let's move on to some questions and some structures. We'll make sure through this video whatever vocabulary we are learning, we also learn to use them in sentences. So here's the first question. Wie ist Ihre Handynummer? This question is asked formally, and informally I would ask, Wie ist deine Handynummer? The answer to both this question is the same. Meine Handynummer ist 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Now let's see once again how to read out this number. 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. So can you read out your own mobile number in German? If you want, you can pause this video here. Let's summarize the numbers from 0 to 20 once again. I'll speak and you'll repeat after me. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Don't forget the two exceptions that we have here, 16 and 17. First 20 numbers done. In the next video, I'll be teaching you numbers till 100. Be prepared. Danke, that's it for this lecture. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, cheers!